User guide and safety information for the ring.
For anti-static stuff, or like what else? Like what can ramp? I guess ramp can cut you, but I haven't had that happen yet.
Environmental protection.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Okay, yeah, be responsible, guys. How does this work? Oh, I think I put it in the wrong way. That's why. It goes this way. There we go. I'll put this back in the box. See, I want to save my boxes, so I think I'm gonna save this one. At least the CPU.
Yeah.
Motherboard box. Actually, I might need the serial number from there. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. There. That in here. What's this?
Okay. No RGB.
Good. Alright, put that in there. Is this close? Is this close with that on? Kind of. What about this?
Interesting.
Ah, this sounds like oh!
Yeah, that's interesting. It's like the pins in the middle are longer.
Yeah. Interesting, yeah. Nice, cool. And then you can install your RAM, and then we can bring the camera back over to me, and then we'll just do that part. I mean, again, I don't have to explain how to do it, but it's just nice. Yeah, I wonder why yours was a little bit harder to like push down, because mine was like pretty simple. I just pushed it.
I was just being too cautious.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah. That only goes one way.
That's right, it only goes one way, guys. Can't F it up.
Yeah, it's like it like goes there.
Yeah. There it is, the click. We heard it.
Nice Philly ring.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, 5600 megahertz. 36, 36, 36, 76 for the timings.
Mine was 52 megahertz. But it's CL40 and 40, 40, 40, 40. So that's not too bad. Could be better, but. No. Oh.
Maybe that was more. It's just a
Yeah.
cover.
That sucks. Call it for Sarah, like, yo, where the plug is all that.
What if it's just like typed in by a screw or something?
Yeah, or even stamp it, try to type it together. Yeah, I got it.
Where's the tight fit? Come on.
Go Sarah, what are you guys doing? Sign, because I don't need it anymore. Nice. Anything else in here? Crap.
Yeah, just okay. Go with the video.
Yeah. Was you good? Alright, so basically this is how you guys install RAM, if you guys don't know. Basically, both? Or just one? I think it's both. It has to be both. So basically you unlock these pogos, or clips. I think
Mine was just one.
okay, so it's just one. Some motherboards have two, but basically, you line up the notches from here and there, and basically it just sits like this, and then you just seat it in like so. JK, there it is, like that, and it should only fit one way. And make sure the pins are aligned. This isn't aligned. It's not aligned, guys. No. Okay. I had it right the first guy. I had it right the first guy. Alright, it's just hard to do. There we go, and then this goes down like. Why is it so hard? Line there, like that. And then basically you just push down here and here. And it should make a click just like that. And that's how you install the ramp. Now I'm just gonna do it on the other stick. You can put it back on the camera stand you want. Yeah, thanks, Corey.
Yeah.
That's not seen properly. Brush. There it is. Cool. Brand's installed. Alright, now we do the cooler. Oh, where's my nostril cooler? It's somewhere. Where did I put it?
It's right there on the couch.
Ah, you're right, Corey, it is. So next we install the cooler. Corey's gonna do his.
Take on my bad boy.
Yeah. And then we can compare the size of our coolers.
Yeah.
Not to compensate for anything. But it's okay. Okay, accessory box. All the brackets. Oh, I can already tell yours is a lot bigger. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You don't even need to see it right now.
Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Give me this.
Accessory box.
Alright. See ya. Oh man.
That's a hefty cooler too though.
It is. Is this blowing away? Wait, the spin's kind of halfway, right? Yeah, it does. These metal blade fans? What? I didn't know that.
Really?
Let's go.
They look.
Yeah. That's interesting. I did not know. Good job, Nacho. So that means if it's spins kind of.
Jesus, that's a big boy.
Yeah, compared to mine. Yeah. It's like mine's basically 1/4 the size. But it's fine because it's a double stack. That's why it's so big.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now I have to figure out what bracket goes to this aim 5.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen a big as cooler as this in my life.
Yeah.
In person.
Yeah, that's fair.
No,
You only able to see it in videos, right?
Yeah, it's only been videos.
Yeah, it's different when you have when you see yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so tiny. I thought it'd be bigger. Yeah. This is it, Corey.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it. This is for all who don't know. Basically, this is my thermal case, quote unquote, but it's a thermal pad, and it's made out of graphene, and it helps transfer heat very well. It's the reason why I'm using it is because I don't ever want to like really repaste my own CPU. Not that it's recommended that you do it like it doesn't do a lot. Some people repaste, but like, it's just like the annoying things, kind of messy after a while. But this is why I opted for it to do, and I think it's a good idea for me. So yeah. Okay. Now we gotta figure out what bracket goes into here. So I don't think this is